Today, I'm going to teach you how to ensure only authenticated users can join Zoom. This is a crucial security feature that prevents unauthorized people from accessing your meetings, making sure only verified Zoom users can participate. First, open your web browser and navigate to zoom.us. Once the page loads, you'll need to sign into your account if you haven't already. This will bring you to the main Zoom dashboard where you can manage all your meeting settings and preferences. Now, look over to the left sidebar of your screen. Here you'll find various menu options for managing your Zoom account. Click on My Account to access your account management area. From there, you'll see additional options appear. Go ahead and select Settings. This section is where all the important configuration options live, including security features for your meetings. Once you're in the Settings area, you'll notice several tabs at the top of the page. Click on the Meeting tab. This tab contains all the settings specifically related to how your meetings function and who can access them. It's where you'll find security controls, participant permissions, and authentication requirements. After clicking on Meeting, you'll need to scroll down through the various options available. Keep scrolling until you locate the setting that says only authenticated users can join meetings from web client. This particular setting is designed to add an extra layer of security by requiring anyone joining through a web browser to be signed into a Zoom account. When you find this option, simply toggle it on. By enabling this feature, you're ensuring that only people who have verified Zoom accounts can join your meetings through the web client. This significantly reduces the risk of unwanted participants or Zoom bombers disrupting your sessions. And that's it. You've successfully configured your Zoom account to only allow authenticated users to join meetings from the web client. Your meetings are now more secure and protected from unauthorized access. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.